Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can upgrade your emblems in Mobile Legend game. So it's super simple and there is a new interface. So you can select preparation and just click emblems. You can see this is a new interface from and to upgrade emblems you can select emblems and just select your emblems portain assassin and python etc. So if you want to upgrade, just click upgrade. Yeah, I have to learn about a new interface and yeah, I don't know, I'm still understanding about this. Alright, so basically I hope this information was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.